Got some Halloween stuff. It's a big pot. Morning.
Good morning.
For sale by owner. This is a water pad. Humidifier. So much it is.
On the cube.
Hyper toss. Operation. That's a fun one. What is this?
Old operation.
Yeah. I don't know. Speed bore. Some hole saws. There's some balloons, Elijah. We do water balloons. Have a water balloon fight.
Ooh, peppers.
That's cool.
Smokeless grill. That's on TV. Is that right? How much is would go?
What is
How much
this?
is the grill?
Electric pizzelli iron.
Yeah, I used it one
That's
time. It
neat.
works. I'm moving to an apartment. I just can't take everything with me. $5.
Is that the kind that pulls the smoke back down
That's
in
cool.
it? You know, so if you're using
Yeah,
it on
because I used it for pork chops and no smoke came out. You put a little bit of water when you set it up underneath, and then you put that
that's
piece
cool.
on top. I'm not sure how it works.
How much you got on these two things?
I've seen that thing advertised on
Yeah.
TV.
Oh, hey,
I
that's
don't know
fine.
the same one,
That's fine.
but
That's fine.
It
one on
works. I use
TV will
pork chops.
pull the smoke
Keep
back
looking.
down in it. No, you know.
What is that?
Stool.
Halloween. That's probably all I want.
She loves to grill out all the time.
Yeah.
How much you got on these two?
50 cents, $2.
Deal. Can I just give you $3?
Sure.
Okay.
That would be great.
What is that?
It's a picnic basket.
Oh, picnic basket.
A picnic basket.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How much are your flowers over here, this artificial?
Oh, the topiaries?
What's this? Huh. That's cool. Look at this too. Is that my phone back here? Yes.
We'll take that.
This box is great. I think that it'd fit a record. Wonder if it's wide enough for an LP record. It might be. Yeah, that might be perfect. I have a bunch that I have like stored incorrectly right now. Stacked. I'm not supposed to do that, but
Yeah. No, I think it'll be good for that.
this and then this box.
This comes with the little cards, and then you're supposed
Oh.
to find it. Hold
Oh, I
on.
saw the cards. Yeah.
Yeah, so
I didn't
the
know they were part of it.
Yeah, I didn't know how to attach it, but
Yeah.
and then you give
You
them to the
find the
kids, and then you
stuff, yeah.
find the creature that lives in
I was
there.
wondering what. I thought you just like looked and
Yeah.
tried to find stuff.
Yeah.
And what about?
2 for that and 3 for the box.
So $5. That's fine.
Yeah.
You selling some?
How much is this? $1.
5. Do you have change for a 10? 5 back?
Yes. I do. It's on the counter. So give it 5. There's change on the counter. I added up. Did you see it on Facebook? I'm trying to figure out
Yeah.
how.
Yeah, I
Okay.
found it on Facebook. Yeah.
I did.
Facebook's not great though, because a lot of the sales are from like 3 weeks ago.
I
So
know.
confusing.
So I
Like you have to
wasn't.
hunt for it.
Yeah, and then I just did next door at like 3 in the morning
Thank you.
because I couldn't sleep. So I'm
Next
like, oh.
door is that? I've never even heard of
Yeah,
that.
next door is an app.
Okay,
that,
let's
like-
check that one out.
You live in
Yeah.
like within a certain radius.
Oh yeah. Okay.
And it's next door. It's all one word,
Okay.
and it's
I'll
like a
look at
little
that.
green app. It's
I usually
pretty good.
check Craigslist and Facebook, but
Yeah.
people always post on Facebook now. Yeah.
Next door is good
Okay, I'll check that one out.
for all kinds of stuff, like
Okay.
people giving away boxes or sharing mulch or
Okay. I
you
need
know.
some mulch.
like that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, folks. Good luck with your sale. You too. Seems like seems like more of the same that they had last time, don't you think? This Animal House poster is cool.
Abstract art. It's beautiful. Look, Dad.
That is beautiful. Do I want this? That's pretty cool.
No, it's not.
Let's go inside, see what they got. Was this an 8 a.m. or a 7 a.m.? Morning.
Did you ever get that? It was like an old game or something. I think that was you that picked it.
Yeah. The Coleco thing.
Yeah. I think that it was like when you left. I found a little piece that went to it, but I don't know where it is.
That's
I didn't
okay.
know if you got it started.
I didn't get it started. It's just in the junk pile. Oh, these chairs are nice. They wouldn't really match our table though. They're a little beat.
Pardon? You can take it.
Specifically like rolling belt cylinders.
What the heck?
Not so
Oh,
much.
look at this thing. That's cool.
That is cool.
It needs a bath though. Oh, we're early. They're starting at 8 today, not 7. I don't know why I thought you guys started at 7 today. I was off.
Well, I mean, we can come anytime because I'm here at 5:30, so
No, really?
that's when I start.
Wow.
When I step out, so yeah, you don't need to worry about the time.
Gotcha.
That's it.
Here, let's go in.
We don't have a whole lot of little. So you like records?
Love records, yeah.
Okay, we did get some new records, so let me,
Oh, nice.
we pull those off the table. We got 8-track tapes.
Oh,
You have those?
they're okay. I have one player, but
Oh, you do.
I don't actually enjoy them.
Oh, okay.
I enjoy records.
Okay. Actually, here, just come on.
Yeah, I was gonna say they're heavy if you've got a handful. Oh, that little chair's cool. Alright, follow him back, Eli.
Yeah.
Follow the strange man into the dark
Yeah.
room.
No problem.
Yeah.
Here, so this is where all the
Okay.
these are the tapes.
I am
8 tracks.
the 8-track.
And that thing.
Okay.
And here's
Yeah,
the
some records.
new records.
The new stuff.
Those are the ones that you went through. These are
Okay, cool. Superman. That one's a little warped. Howard Jones. 32. Oh yeah, cool. Sting. Howard Jones. Definitely get the U2.
Are you gonna buy the records?
I'm gonna try to, yeah. If there's good ones. Cyndi Lauper. Pretty Pink. Check out these cassettes, Elijah. Not those. Those had water in them last time I was here. I don't want those. See if there's any like good rock music. Oh, that's cool. Monster Mash. Depeche Mode. Christmas Carol. Gone with the Wind. What do you got in the box? If I just take the whole box.
Ooh,
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
we're
12.
about 30.
50. Yeah, do $30. What is this thing?
I mean, you're getting the new ones. It's like $3 a piece, but yeah.
Okay.
And you can put any of the other ones from the other pile in that box.
That pile there?
Yeah, the stuff you've already gone through.
Cool. There was a couple in there that I could look at, yeah.
Yeah.
Carol King.
Take any of those sets too. If not.
Alright, thanks, man.
Well,
That's Eli, yeah. Paul Anka. Herb Alpert. Phantom of the Opera. I don't know. Grover Washington. Yo, don't break everything. Glenn Miller.
I'm assuming you're buzzed.
No, actually, he's my son.
Like your son. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's a compliment to you.
Yeah, yeah.
You're welcome.
Well, the mask makes me look 10 years younger. Today's Goldie Hits, and then Beach Beat. Yeah, sure. That'll be good.
You want any of those cassettes, you can throw those.
You want any of those cassettes, bro?
Yeah.
I like it. Here's $30 before I forget.
Yeah.
Microsoft keyboards. How's the junkin business?
Well, it's it's good. This is a good time of year, but he had a kind of bad luck. So
Really?
yeah.
How much? You taking the whole thing?
Yeah.
I feel like we should give him some more money. I think he wants a lot of the cassettes. Could we give you a little more money?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All of them.
Yeah. You trying to
No,
buy?
I'm gonna.
How much you buying? I don't want to just take them
He's
all.
got his own money though, right?
That is
Yeah,
true.
so-
Yeah, he does have his own money.
So you can give me $5 of yours.
There you go, bud. $5
Oh, really?
for the whole bunch. Okay, cool. Yeah. Go ahead and do that. And then you don't have to.
If there's any.
Then we don't have to hunt through them all. And there's two more I wanted. The Bus Boys and Gary Wright. There we go.
I always think of
Beach.
Eddie Murphy.
Yeah. Exactly. Here. Since you bought them all, just put them all back in that thing and let's roll.
Remember what he said about that? It was like totally inappropriate. Not to say.
Yeah.
He was talking about him, you know, because I guess they opened up for him when he
Yeah.
was doing something.
Yeah. We're leaving the 8 tracks, right? You took them out? Alright, so you're taking all those? The whole thing, right?
Yeah.
Is that what you're taking the whole thing? Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool, cool. You got it? Is it too heavy? I think he's got it.
But let's see.
Look at the name of that. Chainsaw Kittens.
That's
Wow. That
appropriate.
sounds like the names that I made up when I was
Yeah.
I was like, it's a rock band, and I remember one of the names that we thought was like blown up monkeys. Like just ridiculous names.
Alright, it's hot in here. I'm overdressed.
Yeah.
Overdressed for inside. Hey guys, thanks for coming with me on those sales. A couple good ones. At the first one, I only bought a few things, but I got some good things. Really, I'm happy with them. First one was this. These are always pretty good. These Find It's. It's a self-contained adventure. And in there, you've got like all these little things that you find, right? And this one came with the cards, which is cool, which like gives you some challenges, right? Find a smooth item. And then you look and you have to find a smooth item. But then at the top, you also have a list of all the things in there. And so you can find all the things in there. This one's comping out at around $25 plus shipping. So that was a really good find. I think she charged me $2 for it or something like that. And then I also got a bin, not metal, what is that called? Wood. This wood bin to hold my records, which I was excited about because I can always use more places to hold records. And I got this really weird looking waffle press thing. I don't quite know what this is because I haven't done any research, but it's called, I don't know, electric Pizzelli iron. I did look it up and it does need some cleaning, but it looks like it's selling for $70 to $80. I saw this like cloth braided cord and that's, you know, I knew it was definitely very old because it's a very old style. And I figured it was probably worth grabbing. And I was right, because like I said, 70 or 80 bucks there. So just those two items should get me $100. Got my free record box when you think about it that way. That was a good little sale. After that, I went to this junk collecting places yard sale. They do them every now and then. You know, if you're in the area, you should go check them out. They're up in Cary, and their yard sales usually have some decent stuff. He took me into like the back room, me and my son, and he let us look through his records and his cassettes. And my son bought all his cassettes for $5, and I bought most of his records for $30. So I probably should have made him an offer on the rest of the records, but it was fine. There was definitely some standouts when I was there, though. This Fantasia record is really solid. That's like a $30, $40 record. I've seen Superman before, so I knew it was worth like $7, $8, but it's so warped, it's not even worth keeping. I mean, I do like the art. This was a really cool find. This is Main Street Electrical Parade from Disney, and that's a little 45, and it plays great. I tried it on my record player last night, and that one actually sells for $25. There's a couple little 45s in here. What's this one? Ghostbusters, Ray Parker Jr. So yeah, some cool stuff. And then, you know, just, I like records. I really enjoy listing them and looking through them. And, you know, it's hard to lose on this many. Monster Mash. It's hard to lose on this many for $30. A lot of these have Disney theming, so they're probably good. I don't actually know. I haven't looked them all up. Phil Collins. Yeah. So, oh, look at this one. Movie soundtrack. Gone with the Wind soundtrack. Breakfast Club soundtrack, Depeche Mode. I mean, these are some good records. I have to go through Monty Python Live. I mean, these are solid. So I probably should have bought them all. I'm sure there was several I skipped over that you guys were smashing your keyboards if you're watching on a computer. But it was still fun. I'm definitely going to make good profit, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh, and also at that sale where I bought all the records, Elijah bought a ton of cassettes, and we can take a look really quick. Some of them are like handwritten, homemade. We could sell those as like blanks that people could write over. But there's also some really good stuff in here too that I saw. There's some sealed stuff, some Elton John, some Heart. He had Best of Dolly Parton, Red Hot Chili Peppers, School of Fish, tons of REM. He's already listed. In Excess, Soul Asylum. So there's some cool stuff in here. He also had this bin, this box here. So we got a bunch of cassettes, and I think he has some more probably over here where he's working on listing right now. I think these are his too. Yeah, so he just got a bunch of cassettes. Oh yeah, here they are. Yeah, so he did really well. Pixies, Reckoning. He paid $5 for all these cassettes. He'll make his money back on one, and then the rest will be profit. And he's taking high resolution Micro Machine photos. If you want to see more, check out my NC Flipper channel where I'll actually like sell them and ship them. And but yeah, so a lot of cool records added to my inventory there. Great profit, great fun. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.